Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Bitcoin breakdown episode brought to you by the Cryptocurrency Alliance. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Quick shout out as always to everybody watching the video today. We definitely appreciate all the support you guys give us day in and day out. Make sure to mash that subscribe button and ding that bell if you guys have not taken care of that already. Now, anybody watching for the first time or anybody who has not taken advantage of some of the free value we give away at the end, make sure you stay because we'll be revealing our free ebook. It's the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It has all our best kept secrets and some strategies, tons of facts, and some key things you need to know in order to make it in this market. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First, we're going to cover an important article. You guys know XRP is and has been my favorite cryptocurrency because of just everything about it. I just really think it's going to be the most used cryptocurrency. I think it's really should be number one on top of Bitcoin, currently number three, but it's surging. So XRP surged, it says about 7% in this article, but it's actually surged about 14, 15% after the surprising decision by San Francisco-based Coinbase, the wallet company, the app company. Okay, they've decided to add XRP, Ripple, all right, whatever you want to call it. It is XRP, but the company's called Ripple, so a lot of people call it Ripple. They claim to have over 200 banks signed up to use their Ripple payment network on its the Ripple payment protocol on its RippleNet network. Ripple basically aims to simplify cross-border payments and replace the current SWIFT system. For those of you who don't know, they've had a lot of huge names. Some of the biggest banks in the world, some of the biggest transfer companies in the world are testing and using RippleNet. XRapid, all kinds of different products that utilize the XRP token, which is the cryptocurrency behind the platform. So something very interesting to look at. You guys know I always support Ripple. Let's jump over to the charts and check out what Ripple's doing right now. Here's the surge after the news. Okay, this is like an upside down BART. Okay, or it could be a teacup with a handle. Okay, teacup with a handle means automatic upside. Okay, couple of signs here. Fibonacci shows that we've retested the 61.8 area 2 times precisely, and we have a tweezer bottom here with a reversal pattern here. Okay, we've came down, tested it again with another hammer. That's 2 hammers here. Notice not only did we pinpoint test the 61.8 major retracement zone, we've also stayed inside the channel wall here. It looks just like a flag pattern, a bull flag pattern. We are in between both MAs, and they're both getting closer. You see how wide they are here and how it gets closer and closer and closer? This is just like a wedge pattern, squeezing price. So price is going to squeeze. It's going to pop out the top of this flag. And the most important thing is look at the 200 MA, which we know is in the history the strongest MA. We are riding this thing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you see the test here, breakthrough. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, look at the pinpoint test here and the pinpoint test here on the hammer. Okay, staying just below the MA here and just above the MA here, but above the 61.8 retracement zone, holding very nicely, and above the 200 MA. You can also see on a higher chart, we are also 1, 2, 3 pinpoint touches here on the MA, and also a nice retracement pinpoint to the 61.8 with the flag pattern painting very nicely. We know flag patterns break to the upside. We can see upside targets here. Looking at this will be the first area to be touched. I mean, obviously the 33.9 region will get touched first because this is where a lot of resistance is. But the extended targets could be here on the short term, 35, and here on the short term, 36. But larger charts will show you larger patterns. But we're just going to break down this simple thing right here. I think XRP is on its way to shooting up for another leg because of this nice flag pattern, this beautiful formation here. It looks like a teacup and a handle, so we could see the next formation form just like this. It'll be this, but opposite. It'll pop up, swim around, and hopefully keep right on going. But for the short term, I do see XRP heading up. Those of you who are margin trading, look for these entries down here towards the bottom. Be careful. Don't take a whole bunch of risk. Bitcoin can do anything and carry the rest of the market with it. So take a look at this setup here today, guys. I do like it. I do like XRP. Like I said, it's been one of my favorites since the beginning. I made thousands of percent on all of my XRP tokens that I bought last year, and I still hold XRP now. I'm in this trade currently. So Hope you guys enjoyed the Bitcoin breakdown today. That's all we have for you guys. Make sure if you guys are brand new, you go down to the bottom, you put any questions you have in the bottom, and also you click that link. It's the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube, like the channel you're watching. So click that link, get your free ebook, guys. It has everything you need to know about cryptocurrency, about how we trade, why we trade, where we trade, and also there's some things you can't miss out on. Cody Sperber, the clever investor himself, has made a nice video for you guys. He's going to give you guys a lot of opportunities to join us for free, get the training class for free. You can't miss it, guys. Be on the lookout for that next step in the process. So click that link, guys. Do not get off this page without clicking that link, and we'll see you tomorrow on the next breakdown.